we're literally gonna try this shit again. I gotta go to work soon, so I'm rushing through this video. The last video that I tried to film with this, it failed because everything was blurry and out of focus. So hopefully I am in focus. If not, god damn it, I'm still posting it. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. If this video is uploaded in the future, let's say 2020, then happy new year, happy holidays. And honestly, I hope this year brings so much happiness and so many more blessings into your guys' lives. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for being here this new year with me, and let's get into the video. So as you guys know by the title of the video, I went to Bath and Body Works and bought a few things. So I bought like 11 lotions because they're usually $12.50 or something like that, but I did end up gifting them, so now I ended up with 5 lotions, which I still want to share with you all. So yeah, let's get started. The first lotion is 1,000 Wishes. It looks like this. I love the packaging. The notes are pink prosecco, sparkling quince, crystal peonies, gilded amber, and amaretto cream. It smells super freaking good. If you guys like that scent that I showed you guys in my last Bath and Body Works haul, the one where I showed you, the one that's like purple in a purple bottle, it's like brown sugar or something, that one, it smells similar to this pink one. So if you guys like that, then you have this option. The next scent brings so many memories because as a child I literally used to grab this scent as the hand sanitizer. So I began my little journey with Bath and Body Works, or I like started exploring with Bath and Body Works by buying the hand sanitizers. I was like in middle school, I was obsessed with having them hung on my backpack, so I was like, let me get this scent or whatever, and I grabbed the sweet pea and then the pink cotton, which smells so freaking good. And I found this sweet pea lotion on sale, so I obviously grabbed it. The keynotes are sweet pea, watery pear, sheer freesia, luscious raspberry, and soft musk. The packaging looks like this. It did not change, and it just smells so freaking good. Like, it reminds me of my childhood, guys. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. Like, I do not want to let go of this, but oh my god, I dropped it. I'm gonna continue to buy this. I feel like I'm literally gonna stock up on so much sweet pea just because it brings back so many good memories. So next, this is like one of my newest favorites that I found. So if you guys like the scent Dark Kiss, this is kind of like Dark Kiss but higher up there. It smells so freaking good. This scent is Into the Night, which looks like this. I love the packaging. It reminds me of like a New Year's Eve party or something. The keynotes are raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. So if you guys like Dark Kiss, like I said, this is more like a perfumey scent, kind of like Dark Kiss, a little stronger, but it's still super freaking good, and it's honestly one of my favorites. So like I said, I'm gonna stock up on all of these soon, so I'm really excited. And yeah, grab this if you haven't. Another kind of sweet scent is Champagne Toast. So Champagne Toast basically has the fragrance notes of pink champagne, black currant, chambord, whatever, sparkling nectarine, and sugared musk. It looks like this. Super freaking cute. It smells super freaking good, and yeah, I really like it. Oh my god, I can't even open it. It's so hard to open. I feel like this is kind of like more on the fruity sweet scent, so it has a little bit of both, but it still smells super good. Like, you guys know I don't really like fruity scents. I like sweet and fresher scents, so I think this is amazing. Next, to take away all the sweet stuff, I have, and I only got one, fresh scent. So this is the Japanese Cherry Blossom. As you guys know, like I just said, fresh scents and sweet scents are my favorite. So over the summer, I kind of like more fresh scents. Even though it is winter, You never know, I like to switch it up. So I got this one. The keynotes are like, oh, I'm telling you, I'm reading the wrong one. The keynotes are Japanese cherry blossom, Asian pear, fresh mimosa petals, white jasmine, and blushing sandalwood. So it literally smells like you stepped out of a damn garden. Like, it smells super freaking good. So yeah. So everyone, these are all the lotions that I will be hauling today. These are all the lotions that I grabbed that were on sale. As you guys know, every time they are on sale, $3.50 each, I always have a little haul coming up. Although the sale kind of pressed already and it's long overdue, this video, I still wanted to upload it because I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Happy holidays.